guys, and welcome to another Crafty Cat production. So today I thought that I would start showing how I make some of my jewelry and charms that are on my store Envy shop. Today I'm going to show you how to make an infinity loop bracelet, which is this chain right here. It's really nice and delicate, and it's fairly simple. So what you're going to need is your wire, which I have here silver round wire, 20 gauge. It's half hard, which you can get that from Rio Grande's a really good place to get it from. You'll also need your tools, which I have round nose pliers, nippers, and some regular pliers here. And of course you're going to need smaller jump rings for connecting all of the pieces later. So to make about a 6 to 7 inch bracelet, you're going to want to cut about 12.5 inches. So about 12.5 inches. Just gonna snip that off. And we can put the extra wire aside. Alright. So now you've got your length of wire. What you're going to do is you're going to cut it into about 20 or so pieces of equal length. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And you want them to be about 1.5 inches in length. Actually just about an inch. Had to reference my ruler. And you're going to do this until you have all the pieces you need, or until you run out of wire. This is our last two pieces. Okay, so we have 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 16 pieces total. So I was right about the estimation. What you're going to do is you're going to take the very edge and put it about, I want to say about 1/3 of the way down the needle nose pliers. And you're going to, well, one, make sure you have a good grip on it. And just fold it around till you get that first loop. And then you're going to turn it the opposite way. And to make a bigger loop, you're going to go about 2/3 of the way down. And you want to make a bigger loop to make that kind of infinity symbol. And then you're going to fold it over in the opposite direction. And there is your first loop of your infinity symbol. Now you're just going to do this another 15 times. Alright, so once you have all of your pieces made, you're going to want to set them up so that the pattern goes like this. Bigs to bigs, smalls to smalls. And then once you get them all out in the line, you can go ahead and grab your jump rings and set them so that they're all in between each of the ends. So how I make these, I start at one end. I start at one end. I grab the jump ring and open it. I take my second to last one. Since this one is two small sides facing one another, I grab the small side for this one. Didn't open the ring up enough. Put the small side on, and then you grab the other one, put the small side on, and then you close your ring. And there is your first link. Now you're going to want to remember which side is which, so place it down the way it was facing before. Grab your next ring. Open it up. Grab the next one, which this one will be big to big. So we hook the big side on, and then the big side of our link, which doesn't really matter which side, but now it's going to start to matter. And we close it up. And then you're just going to keep repeating this until you have all of your links, all of your little infinity signs connected and together. Alright, now that you've got it in a chain, we're going to go ahead and add the fastenings. So, doesn't really matter which end you add them to, because you can flip the bracelet around however which way you want. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up this loop here. Add our lobster claw. Add it to one end and then close the loop. And then on the other end, we're going to add another jump ring and the medium jump ring. So if you want, you can go ahead and make sure that your medium jump ring, the ends are already touching so that they're nice and neat. And go ahead and open up this one. Add our jump ring and the other end of our bracelet. And close it up. Make sure that's nice and neat, and there you go. An infinity chain bracelet. Very nice, delicate, very simple, but elegant enough that you could wear it with really nice clothing, or you can wear it for everyday use. If you're interested, I do have a store envy, which I will add a link below in the description. There you'll find other jewelry that I've made, along with charms and accessories. So if you're interested, go and check that out. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.